How to factory iOS 26 without passcode. The first, most common official method requires a computer and is called recovery mode. This process forces your iPhone to communicate with your Finder or iTunes, bypassing the screen lock. Once the screen appears, a prompt will pop up on your computer asking you to restore or update. Select Restore. Your computer will download the necessary iOS firmware, erase your device completely, and install a fresh copy of iOS 26. Your iPhone will then restart, ready for a new setup. The second official method is for users who have the Find My iPhone feature enabled. You can erase your device remotely using your Apple ID password. Select the locked device from the All Devices list, and click Erase iPhone. Confirm the action. This method is incredibly convenient if you don't have physical access to a computer. What if the official methods fail, or you forgot your passcode and Apple ID? This is where MagFone iPhone Unlocker comes in as a powerful, reliable solution. MagFone is designed to bypass the screen lock and get you back into your phone efficiently, especially if recovery mode is being difficult. Follow the software instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Download the matching firmware, and then click Unlock. MagFone doesn't just remove the screen passcode, including Face ID and Touch ID. It's the ultimate tool for regaining full control of your iOS device.